Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make this Canva poster design in 2 minutes. So let's start. By the way, you can get this template for free from the link in the description below. So first of all, let's add our image, and I'm gonna rotate it like this. Remove its background, go to elements. From here I'm gonna search for a rectangle, go to shapes, add a rectangle and make it like this. Rotate it and we're gonna put it right onto that lipstick. Change its color to a red and black gradient. Duplicate it using Ctrl plus D key, go to layer and send it to the back. It should look like this. Let's change the direction to make it look more realistic. Then we're gonna do the same for the bottom part, but onto the right side. Go to there and send it to the back. Duplicate it and rotate it and put it below. But this one will stay on front. Here we go. The next thing that we need to do is add our text. Next I'm going to add my text, but change its font, change its color to white. Here we go. Rotate it as you did for the rectangle. We're just gonna put them together like this. Here we go. Then let's change the font to a very thin color and font. Here we go. Then I'm just gonna duplicate the same text box over and over again and put it right here. Then let's just put the text, duplicate everything. Here we go. Next I'm gonna add a heading. For this I'm gonna use the font Fatimi. Here we go. Next, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe.